What you selling here, brother?
I got bacon wrap hot dogs.
Okay.
They come
Look
with,
good, man.
yeah, man. They come with onions, peppers, mustard, ketchup, mayo. You can't forget the hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos. Hell
Also
yeah.
got
That shit
Mexican corn as well.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Hell yeah, man. What's your name, brother?
My name's Gonzalo.
Gonzalo.
Hell yeah.
How much the hot dogs going for?
$6 hot dogs and $8.
Start recording in the black community.
Okay. What's
What
that?
content you create?
What's up?
Well,
It's a
Donald
vlog.
Trump. What's happening?
How you doing? It's a vlog.
Yo,
What's up,
vlog.
How you
Yeah.
been?
You gonna be in it.
What's up, man? I missed you.
You ain't played black taxi 48%.
What's your name?
My name is Layla.
Layla. Okay, what you selling here?
We sell smash burgers, we sell street food, chicken, fries, mozzarella sticks, Philly cheesesteaks.
Okay, how long y'all been operating?
About 8 years.
8 years? Alright, cool. It smells good.
Yup, try something out.
Oh, well, I'll slide back here. Good menu. What'd you say your name was? Okay, cool. How long y'all been operating here, man?
So the owner's been running this since 2000.
Is it good? Okay, smells good in there, brother. What's the name of the truck, by the way?
Hero Express truck.
Euro Express truck. All right, brother. Alec? Okay, how long you been open? 4 years. Okay, I like it. It smells good in there. Yeah. All right, what's the name of your truck, by the way?
It's SoCal Burritos.
SoCal Burritos, KC. All right. Thank you.